Hello everyone, welcome to a vlog thing. So today, we're going to be talking about the Xbox 360. Last week we talked about the Xbox One X. I might be doing one about the OG Xbox One, but I don't know. That might not happen because I like to keep these vlogs at a rounded number, but maybe I'll just do another one of those, which I have no idea. It would take planning. And planning's very hard. Alright, let's get into this. So, what I'm going to be talking about is the Xbox 360 worth it in 2019? And for some people, yes. Some people still actually use this as their main console. Some people have it because they owned it when the Xbox 360 and PS3 days were a thing. They had this console, and then they got a PS4, and this might be their main Xbox. Some people might have it that way. Some people might just have this console as their main console. Some people, like me, who don't own a PlayStation, just own an Xbox One X and an Xbox 360. I own the Xbox 360 Slim. Okay, there's a weird sound. You might hear that in my videos sometimes. But, yeah, I own the Xbox 360 S, and I own the Xbox 360 X. So, the S stands for Slim. The reason why I got the Slim was because it came with the Kinect, and this actually used to be like a family console for me. So yeah, we used to just use it for the Kinect. We used to play like Kinect Sports and stuff like that. Like we did have Halo 3. We had some violent games, I guess. We had Modern Warfare 4. We had all those games, but mostly it was a family console. So yeah, it got used for family things, and then maybe I think a year later it turned into my console. So then I it used to be in the room I'm in right now, and then over there's my room. So yeah, that room, it got moved in there. That's basically the game room now, and that'd be like 2011. And now, then in 2013 I got an Xbox One, and then in 2000 and actually it was last year I got the Xbox One X. And yeah, that's currently what I'm at right now. So yeah, I guess I can review all those consoles. So that's why I'm saying I have 3 videos. So yeah, I think this was one of the best-selling games, or it might be with that weird game where you jump. It was bundled with this console. I got it with the console when this came out. I think this might have been the first console that came with HDMI. Actually, no, I'm wrong about that. I think the older models had that too. I don't think there really was much special about my console. I think the only thing it was it had Kinect. That's all. Microsoft started focusing on Kinect back then. So for some people, this might have been a bad thing. So yeah, this is the controller. This is what I was talking about. This controller is very durable. This controller can basically take anything. This controller is very sturdy. Even compared to the PS4 controller back then, it was sturdy. It was very sturdy. PS4 controller was, it felt okay. This does not compare to the Xbox One controller. This thing can be thrown through walls, and nothing will happen to her. Bad people, which just happened once. Don't ask. So the Xbox One controller can barely handle those conditions. So this Xbox is pretty cool. It doesn't have the best cooling in the world. It runs very hot. It is like the Xbox One. It can be an always-on console, basically. I do have it set to always-on, but at default, it's set to not be always-on. So basically what happens then is you can't get updates automatically while your console's off. You can't update something. You can't download a game and turn off the console. You can only have the game downloading with the console on, which I think is kind of useless. Well, nowadays it isn't, because with Games of Gold, I always install it. So this thing will be installing, and I don't have to worry about it. I can just play Xbox One games. And then when I get around to it, I can play on this console. Which I'm still not all about that backwards compatibility thing, because I do own an Xbox 360, so there's no point. You get to use the better controller anyways. Yeah. I don't think Halo 4 does not have Xbox One X enhanced support, so that's kind of annoying. And I kind of like Halo 4 still. The one on the Master Chief Collection is kind of weird. It doesn't have all the features you want. So yeah, I don't think it has Big Team Slayer. That's like the whole reason why people still play Halo 4. I do have like a big sunburn, so I'm very itchy. Yeah, Halo 3 is pretty good on the Xbox One X. It has Xbox One X enhanced support. So yeah, I don't know. There's not much more to cover. Actually, yeah, there is. This has a very big and vast collection of games. I think I have like 57 of them. There's plenty more out there. I'm pretty sure it's like, I think there's like maybe hundreds of thousands of games on this for this console. So yeah, actually, I think I have like 200 games. I don't know. I don't really know how much I have. I never counted. I have a lot of them downloaded too, so yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. So this console is amazing. It always will have a special spot in my heart. It's a great console. I don't think there's any reason not to. You can get it at GameStop for. There was like a special deal. If you go into GameStop during Black Friday, you can get one of these free. Yeah, you had to pay for it, and then you got it for free. So that was a deal. I saw an ad for that. I think you can get these for, if you just go to GameStop now, I think you can get it for $80. So it is worth it. If you don't have a console and you want to start off with something, I would say get an Xbox 360. The PS3s are actually, I think they're a little more expensive, and also they're not generally sold at GameStops. Like, they're hard to find because I don't know, they just didn't cover them for some reason. This console they did. I don't know why. Yeah, you're more likely to get a Slim because I think that was the most popular model of it. I don't know. I don't know. I think it might be. It only lasted a couple years because then the Xbox One came out, and they had a new design for the console, which is kind of weird. They got rid of a whole bunch of USB ports. Not a good idea. So yeah, I don't know what else to talk about this thing. I don't know. The one problem I had with it, which I fixed, was the Wi-Fi card gave out, so I had to put in a new one. So yeah, that was not that expensive. I think it was like $10 for the whole thing. I did all the labor, so if you got it done by someone else, I'm pretty sure it'd be maybe $50. So yeah, that's all there is to talk about. So hopefully you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And actually, don't forget to share. Bye.